Breaking news, a powerful 7.2 earthquake just rattled Alaska, sending shockwaves through the coast. Was a tsunami coming next? Here's what happened.
A massive 7.3 magnitude earthquake has rocked the Alaskan coastline, sending tsunami warnings across the peninsula. Emergency alerts are active, and coastal communities are bracing for what could become a historic event. Cruise ships are diverting course, the seabed is shifting, and the world is watching. Stay with us. This is unfolding now. Witnesses described it like the earth exhaled. The sea pulled back and fear rushed in. Sirens blared, families fled. In a region all too familiar with catastrophe, the clock began ticking. Could this be another tidal nightmare or a narrow escape? Minutes passed, then 30, then an hour, but no wave came. Officials urged calm, but no one dared relax. The ocean held its breath, and so did everyone watching it. In the end, the sea stayed still, but the fear, it was real. This was not just a drill. It was a glimpse, a reminder of how quickly life can shift when the earth moves beneath our feet.